As you can see, the deck has a serious sag to it and even drags the ground over here. So before we drill any holes, we'll prop that up to where we want it, then drill the holes so they'll be in the right place. Maybe even overcompensate a little bit. Like so. So before cutting the dowel rod to length and putting it in the hole, I'm first going to make a spiral groove all around it that allows for the glue to flow through it easily and get a better purchase on the wood. By clamping a simple piece of scrap wood to the table of the bandsaw, I can make many repeated cuts the same size. And since this is an outdoor project, I'll be using waterproof wood glue. And I should say I'm using a 1/2 inch dowel rod and a 1/2 inch spade bit to drill the holes into the gate. I use a spade bit because it has a sharp point that doesn't wander off like a regular twist drill and leaves a little bit cleaner hole. Through one side until the bit just starts to poke through. Then I'll take the bit out, the drill out, and start from the other side. There's 2 holes drilled clean through, 6 more to go. I put some of the waterproof glue on the dowel with a paintbrush. Since it's hard to hammer a peg into a flexing gate, I'll just use this quick clamp to press them through. And finally, there's the finished product with pegs in each corner for more support. And we can remove this support now. And hopefully that will stand up for a few more years. One last tip is putting some waterproof glue on the end grains of these dowels so that they won't have water soaked into them and won't rot out, hopefully. Thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe.